Well, friends, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm checking out this Oster blender. This is a Pro 1200 watts of power with dual directional blades. Oster's been kind of a powerhouse in blenders. You know, they've been around a long time. Okay, so the story behind this one is we got one a couple years ago, and somehow the motor went out. We were making a ton of smoothies, and then just the motor stopped working. But my wife contacted them, and since they have like a 3-year warranty, so basically they just shipped us a new one, and we just send the old one back, and we're good to go. So that is high marks in my book as far as like taking care of your customers. Okay, so let's check it out. This one comes with this little thing goes in the top of the blender lid. It comes with a little, if you don't want the full, the big blender container, you can use just like if you just want a small smoothie. This is 24 ounces, and it's a cup too, so if you want to do your protein shake and add some bananas and junk like that, that's nice. And it just goes right on the blender like that, and you're good to go. So that's a little, here is the main container. All right, heavy duty. This is like super thick glass, 1.25 liters. Here is that lid portion, and this goes in there just like that, and turn it. Okay, so there's that for the lid. Has some instructions here. Be careful. The blades on these are really sharp, so something just to be careful about. It's a nice thick container. One thing I like is the ridges on here. They are rounded. Some have like square lines, and just food gets caught in there. Okay. Here is the blade. You guys got to be really careful. This is super sharp. And there is that. This comes out if you need to clean it. This seal comes out, and then this pulls out here. Just want to put it back in there. It's got these little edges on here also. So there's a little rim here, and those edges fit into that little lip inside there. Just kind of push it down all around. And as you get to the little edges, you just kind of push them into the side, and that creates a nice seal to where that doesn't come out of there. Okay, moving on. Here we have the motor. And this doesn't have a storage for the cord, but that's all right. Usually we just wrap it around here, and it works nicely. So I'm actually probably going to make a little smoothie here, test this out. Make sure everything's working fine. But we really have been trying to eat a lot healthier. So a nice way to do that, instead of having to eat a bunch of fruits and veggies, which can be a little time consuming and maybe not so delicious if you blend them all together, apples and bananas and berries and nuts and kale and all that good stuff, you know, and then just drink it as a smoothie. It's quick, it's easy, it's convenient, not a lot of dishes you have to deal with. So that's that. Let's go make a smoothie and test this thing out, my friends. Okay, so we're testing out the blender now. Got frozen strawberries, got a banana, oats, a bunch of powders and stuff. I'll be adding some more things here. Okay, added water, and then power on. And then we have different buttons here: salsa, milkshakes, low, medium, high, and then the green frozen smoothies. All right, so it's going to be a little loud, but we're just going to endure it, and you can see how it goes. Turns one way and then turns back the other way, and it really does a good job of making a smooth smoothie. Here we go. That's a pretty thick one actually there. So might have needed some more water, but it does a good job of blending for sure. It can cut ice cubes, you can put frozen vegetables in there, frozen cherries, all kinds of frozen stuff. It cuts it up well. Like I said before, this one had like a 3-year warranty, and the other one, I don't know, something happened. We went to turn it on one time and it just didn't turn on, but yeah, they sent us a new one right away and said, hey, use this one, send the old one back, and we're good to go. So that was pretty cool. So definitely happy with that. I mean, there's a few companies that you deal with and you're just pleasantly surprised, and this is one of them where they honored everything, just no questions asked really. And so it was a nice experience. Plus the blenders work really good. So one thing there is, sometimes you go to put this in there, and if this is turned just a little bit, and then sometimes it doesn't fit in there, so it's like that. You're like, how come it's not fitting? Simply have to turn this just a hair so it'll fit in the, just like that. So just thought I'd throw that little tip in there. But if you guys are looking for a decent blender, this Oster one is a nice one. So thanks for watching, my friends. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.